Welcome back. Well, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention are restarting a campaign to help more people who smoke quit. And joining us now is Christy Marin, Science Advisor with the CDC's Office and Smoking and Health. Also Angie, whose story is featured in this campaign. And thank you all both for joining us.
Thank you.
Yeah, and
Thank you.
Just to start, tell us more about this campaign.
The Tips from Former Smokers campaign features real people, not actors, who share the stories from their own lives about how smoking harmed their health and well-being to inspire other people to quit. This year, we're so excited to feature 7 new people who primarily smoked menthol cigarettes. But they share that they smoked menthol cigarettes because we know that menthol makes it easier to start and harder to quit smoking. But quitting is possible whether you smoke regular or menthol cigarettes. And people like Angie share their stories to inspire others that quitting is possible and that help is available.
And Angie, tell us more about your story. When did you start smoking and what was the attraction for you?
Well, both of my parents smoked. One day, my mother decided to quit and she threw her cigarettes in the garbage can. And then I went behind her and got them and started smoking from that point.
And how difficult was it to
And
quit?
it was difficult. It was difficult. I had overheard a conversation at a restaurant in Cincinnati, and this guy was talking about a program he went to for not smoking. And I heard it, and it was like, I don't know if anybody else heard it, but I definitely heard this guy's message. And so I went and I got help. And what they did was they gave me a counselor and a support system. And also, there's one more thing I want to say. Also, the help I needed, because left to my own devices, I don't think that I would have been able to quit. Well, I know I would not have been able to quit by myself.
Well, congratulations on quitting. And again, you all mentioned menthol. That was something that kind of drew you in. And of course, it's been a debate here and across the country. Flavored tobacco, menthol, of course, it's attracting more and more kids. And so what are your concerns involving that?
Well, I started at a young age. And the last 2 years of my work, I worked with teens. And one of the most difficult things it was to do was to keep vapes away from them. I think I was watching Fox 19 one day, and they were talking about the Juul and how they put them in the computer. And I went back to work, and everybody had a Juul in their computer. So I'm snatching Juuls out because I would have never thought about that at all. So I started early, and I know that quickly I was addicted.
So for
Quickly.
those who are watching and they want to stop, any advice that you have for them, any tips that you can share?
Sure. I would have them call 1-800-QUIT-NOW, which, they'll help them. They'll, get a plan together for them. And like I said, I would have never been able to quit without help.
Christy and Angie, thank you all so much for coming in and tell us about this campaign. Of course, we'll have more information on our website as well. In the meantime, we will send it back to you, Jessica.